My storage is 96%, almost full. It's going to be 100% soon, and I wouldn't receive email. Don't worry, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to free up space. Let's dive in. Firstly, customize your category setting. Go to Setting. Click Seal All Setting. Navigate to the Inbox tab. Uncheck categories you find unimportant or unnecessary. And then scroll down and save your changes. Delete email by category. In the search bar, type Category, chosen category, for example category Promotions. Now, you can delete promotions emails. Select all and delete to all cleanup. Repeat this process for each category you want to clean up. Remove old emails. Use the search bar, type older_than XY to find emails from past years. For example, type older_than 2Y for mails older than 2 years. Now, you can delete emails over 2 years ago. You can adjust the number to suit your needs, 1 or 3 or 5 years. Select all and delete. Delete large attachments. Search for has attachment larger, X. For example, has attachment larger. (10 megabyte). Now, you can delete emails with 10 megabyte attachments. After you delete emails, you have to delete email forever in trash. Thanks for watching.